Hello students, welcome back to our geometry class. Today we will learn a very important topic, altitude of a triangle. Many students confuse altitude with median. So in this lesson we will clearly understand what an altitude is, how to draw it and where it meet inside or outside the triangle. Let's start. First, what is an altitude? An altitude of a triangle is a perpendicular line segment drawn from a vertex to the opposite side. So, altitude means from a corner point, that is vertex, draw a line straight down making 90 degree with the opposite side. That perpendicular segment is called an altitude. Now take a triangle ABC. From vertex A, draw a perpendicular line to the side BC. Let the perpendicular meet BC at point D. So AD perpendicular to BC, and AD is an altitude. Similarly, from B, draw B perpendicular to AC. From C, draw CA perpendicular to AB. So a triangle has three altitudes. Now we discuss important properties of altitude. Number one, a triangle has three altitudes. From each vertex, we can draw one altitude, so the total altitude will be 3. Number two, all three altitudes meet at one point, and this common point is called the orthocenter. So, altitudes are concurrent. Number 3, where is orthocenter located? Now, this is very interesting. Case 1, for acute triangle. If all the angles are less than 90 degree, the triangle is acute. In an acute triangle, the orthocenter lies inside the triangle. Case 2, for right triangle. In a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. In a right triangle, the orthocenter is exactly at the vertex of the right angle. Case 3, for obtuse triangle. In an obtuse triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degree. In an obtuse triangle, the orthocenter lies outside the triangle. So, today we learn altitude, that is the perpendicular from vertex to the opposite side. A triangle has three altitudes. Altitudes meet at orthocenter. Orthocenter position depends on triangle type. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, like, share and subscribe for more geometry lessons. Thank you.